This is a quick and random video about the phrase Manji. This word is usually used in the phrase Maji Manji. This phrase became popular among young girls in the year 2017. The precise definition is not clear, and its origin is also unknown. However, it seems to be used whenever you feel an emotion, usually excitement or frustration. I was looking through several tweets to see how people actually use this phrase. In this first tweet, this person says, "Yappa Misa live wa tanoshii, maji manji." I had fun at Mrs. concert as usual, maji manji. In this case, this phrase seems to express this person's excitement. However, in another tweet, "Maji de maji manji nande, tsukaikata atte masu?" This person seems to be using this phrase to show their frustration, but they are aware that they are using it without knowing what it means, since they add in the brackets, "Am I using it correctly?" Often, words that express feelings or thoughts are difficult to define. The best we can do, in my opinion, is observe how people use those words and infer what they mean from the context. Before we end this brief video, some of you might be wondering why young girls in Japan have suddenly started espousing Nazism. But you should know that this symbol is a symbol used in Buddhism and some other religions, and it symbolizes good luck. On Japanese maps, this symbol represents a Buddhist temple, so don't be alarmed when you see lots of swastikas on your travel map. This is the end of this video. I'll make more videos when I find more interesting neologisms or new phrases. See you next time.